Then you pay exercise 3.1. Take a jingkylli kabaning kong 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. Okay, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Thì cũng kini ki jingkylli bi happen su thu ka a ba ka jingkylli ka kran but ka panya ka a. Okay, thì Hangne ka panya ka number jun ki boys but ki girls. Okay, so let the number of a boys, okay, be x. Nang ta let the number of girls be y. The according to question, can you full form according to question ko ang 10 students of class 10 took part in math quiz. Kamot pa kini kishin rang but kikan thera rakhen lang kile shpomut kan thera asna di x kan thera y is equal to 10. Equation number 1. I get equation number 1. Nang ta ko ang pada if the number of girls ay they y. If the number of girls is 4 more tam ki kan thera kishin rang samut then the number of boys I get equation 2. Fine. Equation kapaning kong niya x plus y is equal to 10. Di pin shift na ux and pin shift na y na pin kini variable haka right hand side. Okay, dengan shift na ux pin shift na y ru pin shift y na pin kini variable dengan shift na x pin y is equal to 10 minus x. Dengan tapat dengan true ya ka table. Okay, true ka table x y pin wat tangay tali ki value ru tambangan wat sau tali. Okay, they have an equation. Okay, put the number uni udan x mechanical yang. Okay, when x is equal to 0, when x equal to 0, tapi bu akan equation punya y is equal to 10 minus 0 punya 10. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10. Nang ta when x is equal to 1 punya y is equal to 10 minus 1 ada bu akan equation. Dia punya 9. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 9. Nang ta when x is equal to 2 punya y is equal to 10 minus 2 buat ni dia punya 8. So when x is equal to 2 punya y is equal to 8. Nang ta when x is equal to 3 punya y is equal to 10 minus 3 punya 7. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7. Okay, equation 2 pada kaung y is equal to 4 plus x. 4 plus x. The way variable on the left hand side, way variable on the right hand side. Dengan true no ka table. The number Hangne udan x dengan when x is equal to 0 mestang y is equal to 4 plus 0. Lagu Hangne tapi ni ya 4. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 plus 1. Ni ya 5. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. Nang ta when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 plus 2. 6. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 plus 3. 7. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7. Nang ta pada pin plot sa ka graph. Dengan plot siya kini ka table ka paningkong. When x is equal to 0, mahau ni benta y is equal to 10 uni point. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 9 mahau ni point. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 8 mahau ni point. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7 mahau ni point. Nang ta join yung new point. Nang ta pada kani di ka table jang ka baar te nan plot sa graph jang gani. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4 mahau ni point. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5, how many point? When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6, how many point? When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7, how many point? Nang tasa join ni line. Dek ay kaba piyo I hang neba uni point intersect how many point? Uni point dayu 3, nang ta 7. Di ngin tho hadin jang ni graph. Ngin tho from the graph we observe that the line intersect how many point? The lines intersect each other the length intersect each other at a point 3, 7. So 3 x is equal to 3. Mau x udah unibah kmat, y udah unibahin, and y is equal to 7. Therefore, cái conclusion cái bang ila shi mana x day boys, y day girls. Therefore, there are 3 boys and 7 girls. Kan ini solution. Jingkylli baar pada kong 5 pencil and 7 pens together mudi plus cost Rs 50 rupees, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pen together cost Rs 46 rupees. Find the cost of 1 pen and 1 pencil. So the solution yang digalong. Namar bakal pak benwat ya ka cost let the cost of 1 pencil be x. Nang dapat ang find the cost of 1 pen. Let the cost of 1 pen be y. According to the question, we have 5 pen de 5 pencil, 5a, 5x, and 7 pen plus 7y. Together and would be plus, okay? 5 pencil plus 7y is equal to Rs 50 rupees. Eigen equation 1. Nang dapat dek ong 7 pencil 7x and the plus 5 pen 5y ke cost Rs 46 rupees. Eigen equation 2. From equation 1 here 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. Di pila aban ra uni 5x jangan ni kaliang ni pila aban ra ada 7y. Dengan ra ada 7y teman pinyo 5x is equal to 50 minus 7y. Mau ni plus long minus. Nang tahang ni pada multiplication terhadap ni 5 1 jangan ni kaliang udah divide 50 minus 7y divided by 5. Tinang tak dengan terus saya kan ikan double. Okay, x, y, 1, 2, 3. Pila aban watang lai teligi value ru compare, okay. Di nomor hang dari y dengan sedang when y is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, punya x is equal to 50 minus 7 into 0 divided by 5. Darab ibu akan equation. Di punya 50 minus 0 divided by 5 punya 50 divided by 5. 50 divided by 5 punya 10. So when y is equal to 0, punya x is equal to 10. Nang dapat dah. When diladap y is equal to 1, punya evaluation x is equal to 50 minus 7 into 1 divided by 5 is equal to 50 minus 7 divided by 5 kan long 43 divided by 5. Ti 43 nak ban divide u 5. Ti nganam shim ke value jong y is equal to 1. Nan shim the value jong y is equal to 5. Okay, and shim y is equal to 5. Nama na pin kain y is equal to 1, y to 2, y to is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, punya x is equal to fraction. Punya fraction, okay. Now takadaw nganam shim value jong y 1, 2, 3, 4 ngan shim y is equal to 5. X is equal to 50 minus 7 into 5. Harapin buo ni equation 75 by 5. Then ang tap punya 50 minus 35 divided by 5. 50 minus 35 punya 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 punya 3. Okay, so when y is equal to 5 punya x is equal to 3. Ngan simpat dah when y is equal to 10. Darap shim y is equal to 6, y is equal to 7, y is equal to 8, y is equal to 9. Darap shim value y kini ki number punya x kandai fraction. Te ngan shim the value y is equal to 10. Te kabakam so ke pi ban kan mau pat dah uni u 0 ban yo san kan dei kan no pi plus the usan ban yo san. Te hang ni value hang ni ru pin plus the usan. San plus san pan yo shipau. Nang ta hang ni ru pin plus the usan pan yo kat san. Lan ni lada plus hang ni pin yo 5. Lada pin plus nang ni din ru pin yo 5 tambah unde no minus 5. Te ngan shim the value banadil jang 0 undai minus 5. Okay, y is equal to 10 pinyo x is equal to 50 minus 7 into 10 divided by 5 pinyo 50 minus 70 divided by 5 pinyo minus 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 pinyo 4. Then ang tadi minus ni minus to. When y is equal to 10 pinyo x is equal to minus 4. Nang dapat dengan shim when y is equal to minus 5 pinyo x is equal to 50 minus 7 into minus 5 divided by 5. Pinyo 50 minus 35 minus 7 into minus 5 kanlong minus 35 divided by 5. Pinyo x pinyo 50 minus into minus udah plus 35 divided by 5 pinyo 85 divided by 5 nang dapat deh pinyo 17. When y is equal to minus 5 pinyo x is equal to 17. Okay, question 2 deh 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Tinggal abang shift ini tinggal abang shift ini harga nih kalian. Okay, te hangne pada ngan shift ya ka value jong u 7x. Okay, pila abang shift da u ni 5y ru kam da jeng pare te 5y pinyo 46 minus 7x. Nang dapat deh unit 5 the multiplication balik ni kalian unan 46 minus 7x divided by 5 x y nomor bangil awat satu li value banding kong temen taruh ni wat satu li value dan nomor unit di x dengan sedang when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0 punya 46 minus 7 into 0 divided by 5 punya 46 divided by 5 then 46 om laban divided by 5 nanti kadang onam shim y is equal to 0 and shim no x is equal to 3. Nomor lana shim x is equal to 0, 1, pinyo lana 2, pinyo ka value jong y as fraction. Dan nata ka daw ng shim value jong x 0, 1, but 2. Okay, then when x is equal to 3, pinyo y is equal to 46 minus 7 into 3 divided by 5. Yang dapat da 46 minus 21 divided by 5. Pinyo 5 divided by 5. Nangta 25 divided by 5 pinyo 5. So when x is equal to 3 pinyo y is equal to 5. Nangta when x is equal to 8. Then namar bala na pin kay x equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 pinyo equivalent yung y fraction. Okay, namar ba ni shim tangki value ki bom fraction kapan so ki pipa represent na ka graph tinggal shim na x is equal to 8. Okay, x is equal to 8 pinyo 46 minus 7 into 8 divided by 5. Then pinyo 46 minus 7 into 6, 56. 7 into 8, 56 divided by 5. The 56 minus 46 minus 56 pinyo minus 10 divided by 5. The pinyo minus 2. So when x is equal to 8, y is equal to minus 2. Rapi pet hangne 3 baru 8. 3 baru 8 kejengnya par jengki kalau kanu 8 minus 3 kiri akan no punya 5 kamut ba plus sun banyak pra. Okay, tamut how ni nambah ni dengan plus sun, how ni nambah dengan plus sun. So 8 plus sun 8 plus 5 punya kanu punya kat lai tenang dapat deh 13 plus 5 punya 18 then rengan shim nak negative value nilai 3 nilai 2 nilai 1 nilai 0 nilai minus 1 nilai minus 2. Then namar hang ne ka distance jongki ani ka jingjengai jongki ka sun plus sun banyak pra plus sun banyak kat lai te hang ni ru ngan shim no ki value ki ba ka jingjengai jongki ka sun 1 2 3 4 5 minus 2. Okay, dah ngan shim gitu ki value jong x nang ta sa calculate ya u banyak ya u y te ngan shim no when x is equal to show me number 13 y is equal to 46 minus 7 into 13 divided by 5. Pinyo 46 minus 71 divided by 5. Pinyo minus 55 divided by 5. Pinyo minus 11. So when x is equal to 13, pinyo y is equal to minus 11. Now dapat when x is equal to minus 2, pinyo y is equal to 46 minus 7 into minus 2 divided by 5. Pinyo 46 minus 7 into minus 2 minus 14 divided by 5. The minus into minus the plus 46 plus 14 divided by 5. Pinyo 60 divided by 5. 60 divided by 5 punya 12. When x is equal to minus 2 punya y is equal to 12. Pada saya ka graph. Tiga ni kadek ngan shim shim table bani kong. So when x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 0 mudi uni point. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5 mudi uni point. When x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 10 mudi uni point. When x is equal to 17, y is equal to minus 5 mudi uni point. Nang ta join ni point. Nang ta pada second table. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5 mudi point. When x is equal to 8, y is equal to minus 2 mudi point. When x is equal to 13, y is equal to minus 11. Minus 11 mudi banta tahun shuai ba udah hani point. Nang ta when x is equal to minus 2 mudi point, y is equal to 12. Okay. Te new e ba new point we intersect how ni uni 3 5. Te in thought from the graph cũng cần in thought apa trong graph from the graph we observe that the lines line intersect each other at a point 3 5. So nama uni bak mat x is equal to 3, nang ta y is equal to 5. Therefore ang kumdum let the cost of pencil be x and cost of pen be y. Therefore the cost of one pencil is rs. Nama baka deka dor hap thok ni rs. Okay, rs 3 rupees nang ta, and the cost of one pen is rs 5 rupees. Okay, click about on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equation at a point are parallel or coincident. Tikane pada pihapan kemau kan ratio when a1 and a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 kan kadeka intersecting line. Nang ta a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 kan jangka parallel line. Nang ta a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 kan jangka coincident line. Te pihapan shu calculate ekini ki ratio nang ta pada bisa apla pentip ki intersecting line ki parallel line ki coincident line. Okay, basically panikong Tekin compare kini ki equation earthly equation but kini ki earthly ki general form. Tilawangi compare niya here we get niya ba uni a1 compare kini ka 5x we get a1 is equal to coefficient jang x di 5. Nang ta b1 coefficient jang y minus 4. Nang ta c1 di constant 8 is equal to 8. Nang ta kini ka baar pada a2 punya coefficient jang x di 7. Nang ta b2 coefficient jang y di 6. Nang ta c2 di constant minus 9. Okay. Now your a1 by a2 pada punya 5 by 7. Nang ta b1 by b2 pada punya b1 ni minus 4. b2 6. Hangne pada 4 into 2 4 or 2 into 2 4 2 into 3 6 punya minus 2 by 3. Nang ta c1 by c2 pada punya 8 by minus 9. Since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, number ka value yung pair is not equal to c1 by c2. Hence, the lines represent yaga intersecting line. Represent an intersecting line. Okay, pilih baar pada in compare kumju kumbang lek kapan kong comparing this equation with kani ka general form kani in compare kani ka kong kani ka baan compare kani ka baan. Here we get a1 ni kat no a1 day 9, b1 day kat no b1 day 3, c1 day kat no day 2. Okay, compare kani nang ta a2 day kat no coefficient jung x 18, b2 day kat no coefficient jung y 6, c day kat no constant 24. Now A1 by A2 pada punya 9 by 18. The 9 into 1 9, 9 into 2 18 punya 1 by 2. Apa pada impact B1 by B2. B1 dekat no 3, B2 dekat no 6. So 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 1 by 2. Nang ta C1 by C2 pada dekat no 12 by 24. 12 into 1 12, 12 into 2 24 punya 1 by 2. Tetapi pada Hangne since pada Hangne A1 A2 B1 by B2 C1 by C2 kan, since A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, the lines represent a coincident line. Okay, bisa jingkylli ke balai pada comparing kini ke equation kini bala I but kini ke general form kini bandingkan ke bar kan bar here PE ba A1 dekat no A1 dekat coefficient chung X bandingkan 6 B1 dekat no coefficient chung Y ke bandingkan -3 C1 dekat no constant ke bandingkan equal to 10 nang ta A2 pada equal to 2 nang ta B2 pada -1 nang ta C2 pada 9. So now A1 by A2 ni akan no 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2 punya 3 nang ta pada B1 by B2 punya -3 by -1 minus cancel punya 3 nang ta pada C1 by C2 punya 10 by 9. Tapi dapat Hangne A1 by A2 kaya rangkat pada B1 by B2 tambah kami rangkat dapat ka C1 by C2. Therefore the lines represent a parallel line. Okay, kita berikan answer.